Meaning of decision.
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 Decision. Decision refers to the process of making a choice or reaching a conclusion after considering all available options or possibilities. The result of a decision can vary, depending on the context and the factors that were taken into account during the decision-making process. In general, a good decision leads to a positive outcome, while a bad decision can have negative consequences such as loss, damage, or regret. Effective decision-making involves critical thinking, analysis, evaluation, and communication skills, as well as a clear understanding of one's goals, values, and priorities.